At the core of our existence is a beautifully complex network, an orchestra of cells, tissues, and organs all dancing in synchronization. Our bodies aren't merely biomechanical entities functioning on autopilot. They are deeply connected systems influenced by our thoughts, feelings, and the energy that we emit. Each heartbeat, breath, and neural impulse is a note in the symphony of our existence. And when we begin to understand this profound interconnectedness, we step closer to unlocking the secrets of self-healing. Many ancient civilizations understood the intimate bond between mind and body. The Egyptians, Greeks, and Chinese, they all recognized that our emotions and thoughts have tangible effects on our physical health. When we feel love or joy, our bodies respond with a cascade of positive biochemical reactions. Similarly, when we're consumed by anger, fear, or resentment, our bodies echo that with stress hormones, inflammation, and cellular wear and tear. Today, modern science is catching up with what these ancient wisdoms have always indicated. Research in psychoneuroimmunology, (NEI), delves deep into understanding how our emotions and thoughts can affect our immune system. Findings from these studies provide evidence of the mind's influence over the body. For instance, prolonged stress can compromise immune functions, while positive, nurturing feelings can enhance our body's ability to heal and fend off disease. But here's where it becomes even more fascinating. The feedback loop. Not only do our emotions and thoughts affect our body, but our physical state also sends signals back to our mind. If you've ever felt a rush of confidence after nailing a challenging workout, or a sense of calm after a deep, rejuvenating breath, you've experienced this feedback in action. The key is balance. Just as an orchestra requires the perfect harmony between strings, woodwinds, brass, and percussion, our mind-body symphony thrives on balance. Too much negativity, stress, or anxiety can throw our internal music into discord, manifesting as illness or pain. But when we learn to nurture our mind with positive intentions, affirmations, and meditative practices, we can bring our physical self back into harmonious rhythm. So, as we embark on this journey of understanding the unbelievable power of our bodies to heal through meditation, remember, you are not just a passive listener to the symphony of your life. You are the conductor with the power to choose which notes are played, influencing the health and harmony of your entire being. Meditation, often perceived as a practice of stillness or simple mindfulness, is so much more profound than many realize. It's not just a refuge from our hectic world, nor is it merely a method to find inner peace. Meditation stands as a bridge, a portal between our conscious thoughts and the deeper realms of our subconscious where profound transformation awaits. Imagine your mind as a vast ocean. The surface, with its waves and ripples, represents our everyday thoughts, anxieties, and distractions. But beneath this tumultuous exterior lies the depth of the ocean, serene and untouched by the surface's chaos. This depth is our subconscious, the seat of our deepest beliefs, memories, and potentials. Meditation provides the diving gear to explore this depth, allowing us to reach the core of who we are and access our innate healing abilities. Over millennia, various cultures and traditions from around the globe have developed and refined meditation techniques, from the yogis of ancient India, who cultivated deep states of inner absorption, to the Zen masters of Japan, who practiced the art of zazen or seated meditation, to the shamans of indigenous tribes who embarked on spirit journeys. Each practice was rooted in the quest for inner transformation. And central to many of these traditions is the recognition that meditation can be a powerful tool for physical and emotional healing. In recent years, the West has begun to embrace and study the therapeutic potential of meditation. Advanced neuroimaging techniques have illuminated the tangible changes that occur in the brain during meditative states. We've discovered that meditation can enhance neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize and form new neural connections. This adaptability is crucial for healing and adapting to new circumstances, be it recovering from trauma or learning new healthful patterns of thought and behavior. Moreover, meditation has been shown to lower cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone. This reduction in stress doesn't just promote a sense of calm, but also facilitates better immune function, reduces inflammation, and even promotes better sleep, all vital components of healing. The power of meditation also lies in its ability to shift our focus. In a world riddled with distractions, external pressures, and relentless demands, meditation grants us the ability to turn inward. It provides a sanctuary where we can shed the external world's weight and tune into our inner dialogue. This self-reflection is the first step in recognizing patterns that might be hindering our healing journey and replacing them with patterns that foster growth and recovery. At the microscopic level, our bodies are vast universes of cells, each one pulsating with life, carrying its unique script written in the language of DNA. These scripts dictate everything, from the color of our eyes to our predisposition to certain health conditions. But what if these scripts weren't as fixed as we once believed? What if, through the power of our mind intention and meditation, we could rewrite certain parts of this cellular narrative? The groundbreaking field of epigenetics explores how our genes can be turned on or off based on external factors and conditions. While we cannot change the DNA sequence itself, the expression of genes can be influenced. It's like having a piano with fixed keys, but the melodies you play can vary infinitely based on which keys you press. Factors such as diet, environment, and yes, even our thoughts and emotions play crucial roles in shaping this expression. When we dive into the realm of meditation and its impacts on our cellular biology, we embark on a journey of discovery that challenges the age-old dichotomy of nature vs. nurture. It seems that our inner world, the world of thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, can communicate with our genes, influencing their behavior. Consider for a moment the placebo effect, the scientifically recognized phenomenon where patients show improvement with a treatment that has no therapeutic effect simply because they believe it will work. This is not mere coincidence or wishful thinking. It's a testament to the power of belief and expectation and how it can direct physiological responses in our body. Through intentional meditation, we can harness this power and direct our beliefs towards healing and well-being. When we meditate with an intent, be it for better health, reduced pain, or emotional healing, we send a clear signal to our body. This signal, rooted in a deep state of focused awareness, can potentially influence our cellular activity, guiding our cells towards regeneration and balance. Dr. Bruce Lipton, a renowned biologist, has extensively discussed how our beliefs, whether they're conscious or subconscious, can shape our biology. If we harbor deep-seated beliefs of being unwell or prone to illness, these beliefs could potentially manifest in our physical state. However, by delving into the deep states of meditation, we can access these hidden beliefs, bring them to the light of our consciousness, and actively work on rewriting them. To truly harness the potential of our cells to rewrite their script, we must cultivate a consistent meditative practice. It's not just about sporadic sessions of stillness. It's about a committed journey inward. As we continue this voyage, slowly peeling back layers of long-held beliefs and replacing them with intentions of health, vitality, and abundance, we begin to see the tangible effects, not only in our physical health, but in our overall well-being, resilience, and zest for life. Across the annals of time, stories of unexpected, miraculous healings have both fascinated and baffled us. These tales, which often sound like plot lines from works of fiction, have been recounted by countless individuals who've managed to defy medical expectations and logic through sheer will, belief, and often the power of meditation. One might be tempted to dismiss these narratives as anomalies or coincidental events. However, upon closer examination, patterns begin to emerge, painting a picture of the profound interplay between mind, body, and spirit. Take, for instance, the tale of Robert, a 60-year-old diagnosed with severe heart disease. Doctors declared surgery was imminent, with minimal chances of complete recovery due to his age and the progression of the disease. Instead of surrendering to fear, Robert, having heard of the power of the mind, immersed himself in meditation. His daily ritual involved visualizing his heart repairing itself, the blood vessels clearing, and the heart muscle growing strong. 6 months later, to the astonishment of his medical team, the imaging showed significant improvement. While not entirely healed, the progression had halted, and there were undeniable signs of repair. Similarly, there's the story of Lila, a young woman plagued by debilitating migraines since her early teenage years. Traditional treatments brought little relief, leaving her desperate and exhausted. Introduced to mindfulness meditation during a workshop, Lila began practicing diligently, focusing on the pain during her sessions and visualizing it dissipating. Over time, not only did the intensity of her migraines decrease, but their frequency reduced dramatically. Lila's story isn't just about physical healing. It's about regaining control over one's life. Then there's the compelling narrative of Aisha, a professional dancer who faced a tragic accident that left her paralyzed waist down. Medical prognosis gave her little hope of ever walking, let alone dancing again. But Aisha's spirit was indomitable. She turned to meditation, focusing on the sensation in her legs, visualizing the neural pathways reconnecting and her muscles responding. It took years of dedication, but one day, Aisha felt a twitch in her toes. Over time, with relentless meditation, physiotherapy, and sheer determination, she not only walked again, but returned to the dance floor, becoming a beacon of hope for many. These tales aren't shared to undermine the importance of traditional medical intervention. Instead, they serve to highlight the supplementary, potent power of the mind in the healing process. And as science progresses, researchers are diving deep into such stories, hoping to decipher the physiological changes triggered by practices like meditation. The initial findings are promising, suggesting that consistent meditative practices can alter brainwave patterns, hormonal balances, and even cellular activity. For centuries, there has been a perceived chasm between science and spirituality. While spirituality delved into the mysteries of purpose, belief, and the transcendent, science aimed to explain the tangible, the measurable, the provable. But as we've ventured further into the realm of understanding human physiology, biology, and especially neuroscience, a convergence is beginning to emerge. Both fields, it appears, are two sides of the same coin, each illuminating the other. Meditation, long relegated to the domain of spiritual practices, has found a compelling advocate in modern science. Laboratories across the world are now teeming with monks, meditators, and mindfulness practitioners, all wired up to advanced machines, with scientists eager to map out the changes that occur in the brain during deep states of meditation. What these studies have consistently shown is that meditation doesn't just induce a transient, relaxed state. It leads to profound and lasting neurological changes. Regular practitioners display enhanced neuroplasticity, an increased capacity of the brain to change and adapt. This adaptability not only aids in learning new skills, but is also pivotal in recovery from trauma or injury. Furthermore, meditators often exhibit increased activity in the left prefrontal cortex, a region associated with positive emotions, and decreased activity in the amygdala, the brain's fear center. This shift might explain the heightened sense of well-being and reduced anxiety reported by those who meditate regularly. But the wonders don't stop at the brain. The endocrine system, responsible for hormone production and regulation, also undergoes significant modulation during meditation. Lowered cortisol levels, a marker of reduced stress, and increased production of feel good hormones like oxytocin and serotonin are commonly observed. These hormonal shifts can have cascading positive effects on the body, from improved immune function to enhanced tissue repair and reduced inflammation. The very structure of our DNA, The double helix that houses our genetic code is also influenced by meditation. Telomeres, the protective caps at the end of our chromosomes, have a crucial role in cellular aging. As cells divide, telomeres shorten, leading to cellular aging and eventually cell death. Remarkably, meditation seems to slow down this shortening process and, in some cases, even lengthen telomeres. This has profound implications for aging, longevity, and overall health. This dance between science and spirituality, between measurable outcomes and the profound sense of inner peace, provides a holistic understanding of healing. It's no longer about choosing one over the other. It's about embracing both, recognizing that our body is not just a biomechanical entity, but a beautifully orchestrated system where belief, intention, and emotion interplay with neurons, hormones, and cells. As more and more people around the world adopt meditation, driven both by spiritual quests and the tangible benefits elucidated by science, a collective shift is occurring. We're beginning to recognize that healing isn't merely about fixing what's broken. It's about tapping into our inherent potential, aligning our mind, body, and spirit, and journeying towards a state of wholeness. In this alignment, in this harmony, lies the unbelievable power of the body to heal itself.